Right, so this is your final two-wheel drive. 10th on the grid is the Grey Ninja of Mark Tilbury, followed by Tony Gomez, Scott Fitzgerald, myself, Barry Fitzgerald, Steve Jenner, Paul Upton, Billy the Bogey, Paul Sherwood and Darren Lewis.
Come on, Tony. Yes. Off we... Mark Tilbury, keep it clean. Right, here we go, chaps. Keep it clean, please. Best of order. Oh, carnage, first corner. Right, that's the first lap underway. We've got Darren out front with Paul in second, Steve in third, Ian running fourth, Scott fifth, Paul, Barry, Billy, Mark Tilbury and Tony.
Fastest lap car 1, fastest lap car 5. Fastest lap car 5. One minute into the race. First place car 1, second place car 5, third place car 2, fourth place car 7, and in fifth place car 8.
Right, we're a minute in. We've got Darren out front, followed by Steve and Paul running third, and Scott running fourth.
Fastest lap car 5.
Right, so we've got Darren coming up the wall of death, down on the main straightaway, and he has got a .99 lead over second place.
Car 7 about to be lapped. Two minutes into the race. First place car 1, second place car 5, third place car 2, fourth place car 8, and in fifth place car 3. Car 10 about to be lapped.
Right, Mark, that's the race leader coming up, Mark Tilbury down the straight.
Car 10 about to be lapped.
Straight's clear. Right, Darren still running out front with a 1.2 second lead over Steve Jenner, Paul Sherwood, Scott Fitzgerald, Billy
3
Bogue
minutes
running
into
fifth.
the race. First place, car 1. Second place, car 5. Third place, car 2. Fourth place, car 8. And in 5th place, car 3.
Nice high line from Tilbury there.
Fastest lap,
right,
car
the lead's
5.
come down to 0.6 now. The race is on. There's nothing in it now. Got the Lossy 22 running out front, followed by the Mighty RB6 in second place. And they're straight with each other down the straightaway. Whoa, nice jump there, Darren. Oh, keep it clean, guys. Right, away we go.
4 minutes into the race. First place, car 1. Second place, car 5. Third place, car 2. Fourth place, car 8. And in 5th place, car 4. Car 10 about to be lapped.
Right, we're coming into the last minute now. We've got Darren out front, followed by Steve Jenner, Paul Sherwood, Scott Fitzgerald, Paul Upton, Billy Bogue, Mark Tilbury, Ian Knight, and Barry Fitzgerald. Darren's got a lovely lead now of 5.4 seconds. So keep on his wheels, Darren, for the victory. And a taste of the champagne.
Five's finished.
No arguing on the rostrum.
10's finished.
Right, so that's a win for Darren,
finished.
Followed by Steve Jenner,
finished.
Scott Fitzgerald coming in third, Paul Upton fourth.
2's finished, 3's finished, 1's
Paul
finished.
Sherwood fifth, followed by Billy Bogue, Mark Tilbury seventh, Ian Knight in eighth, ninth Barry Fitzgerald, and in 10th Tony Gomez. Thank you, drivers.
Race over drivers, if we could have all the cars switched off please, and those with handout transponders, return them please, and then all the drivers out to marshal, thank you. The result for this final is first place
Darren Lewis.
Second place car 5, third place
Scott Fitzgerald.
Fourth place car 4, fifth place car 2, sixth place car 3, seventh place car 10, eighth place
Ian Knight.
Ninth place
Barry Fitzgerald.
and in 10th place
Antonio Gomez.